God dang. God dang. Who did it? Who did it? Yo, what's up, man? Mr. 300 here, man. Thanks for checking in. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for coming back, man. I know you guys got a million different options. Thanks for coming here. Anyway, man, I'm gonna get right into it, man. I'm gonna start some new series. You know, I was sitting back thinking, like, how can I just do something daily? And instead of me like posting like a whole bunch of like random videos about random shit, like random topics, man, and just stuff that I'm not really knowledgeable about, man, like maybe I'm just doing research just to post a video. Instead of doing that, I decided that I'm just gonna give just basically keep record of everything that I do for the day, you know, and I'm gonna mix it up and make it in a video form, hopefully, you know, entertaining, or it's basically just for me to be able to see how dedication and how, if you stay, you know, show perseverance, and you start from something and you believe in a dream and you just continue to work towards something, you can actually achieve it, you know. So if you guys want to watch it, it's all good, man, but it's grind season, man. Grind season episode 1, and basically I'm gonna go just all in about my day. I'm gonna have different clips, and you guys will see it, man. Hold on, y'all just start now. All right, we're gonna get right into the numbers, man, because this is something I always really wanted to see what somebody's actually doing from behind the scenes. I don't always really care about what they putting on in front of the camera, but I really want to see the work that they really doing. So basically, man, this is a podcast that I do with my homie. We do it every week. It's called the Whoop Ticket Podcast, man. We just went live a couple of months ago. We talk about random, you know, we talk about sports, pop culture topics, politics. But man, we just keep it fun, man. We laugh a lot, man. If you go check it out, it'll be a link in the description. You'll have fun every week. Whoop Ticket Podcast. The website is the Whoop Tickets Experience. That's going to be in the description down below. But basically, man, I'm just showing you exactly what we do. For the last 7 days, we got 120 views. We just started out, man. Just not real promotion yet, but you know, we putting in work. You know, we getting some random views or whatever. You can see the views that I got for the other videos, or sorry, the random podcasts or whatever. And it started off slow, but it's been picking up, man. You can see down the video, you can see a couple with over 100 views. So man, that's good. You know, like, it's just something, man, just starting out. We're going to go to the next one. All right, next one up is YouTube, man. We're going right into it, man. I got 354 subscribers. I lost 3 subscribers in the last 28 days. I haven't really gained any, so it is what it is, man. You see the views in my last couple of videos, not much, man, but we grinding, man. I'm going at this every day. I'm not going to stop. You're going to see me a lot. So if you don't subscribe now, I hope you do subscribe. Please subscribe down below. But if you don't, you'll be forced to subscribe later, man. And this is just day 1, man. Once I get to day 50, you don't want to have to catch up. Like, God damn, he's still doing it, man. This shit dope. He's still doing it. You know, and then you got to go back and catch up 50 episodes, man. So just subscribe now, man. If you want to watch it, don't watch it. If you don't want to watch it, watch it. Don't, you do whatever you want to do, man. I know I got jumbled up there, but it's all good. But pretty much, man, I'm showing you the views that I got in the last 48 hours. That's 22 views. That's pretty much it. Let's go. Next one. Next up, man, is Amazon Associates, man. This is basically the affiliate page, the affiliate program that I'm in when I post links to like Amazon products. If people click on those links and buy those products, I get a little cut. The only way I've really been using this right now is on the website, so I haven't really been promoting it that much. I haven't been using Facebook ads or anything like that. It's been pretty much all organic. So I got a couple of things, man, nothing major. But this is Amazon Associates. You can see on the 5th of July, I got a couple clicks and I made 66 cents. And this is the 14th. I made $1.12. Pretty much I got 2 items shipped, blah, 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 2 items ordered, blah, 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 click 70, 2.86 conversion rate. I made $1.78. Man, it's not much, man, but it's, you know, everything is beginning, man. This website that I'm doing right now is just the beginning stage. It's very, 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 very young, man. So this is the website, the onlinemoneybible.com. You just pretty much go here, and I created this website just for affiliate offers and different, you know, products and services. You can go here. You can, if you need to build a website, you can get all the stuff here. Bluehost, Aweber. If you want to do Amazon FBA, I got Jungle Scout here. This is basically for product research. If you want to start a podcast, you can get the microphone that I'm using right now. You can get the MacBook, or you can get you know, a camera or whatever. TubeBuddy if you want to rank on YouTube. I'm gonna add more stuff here, man, but this is just the beginning. But pretty much anybody who clicks on this product, any of these products, man, I get a little cut when they order. On the website, you guys want to see the traffic. This is basically a Facebook pixel. I created a Facebook pixel, and it basically understands and knows the events that happen on the website. So pretty much anytime anybody views the website or goes to it, I can see it. You know, I can't see exactly who goes there, but I can see the traffic, you know. So for the last 7 days, I got 415 events, and that's basically page views. Let's do last 30 days, just the max. So I almost got 1,000 views in the last 30 days, man. It's not much, but like I said, man, this is just all organic. I'm just pretty much just throwing stuff out there, man, and just letting it go. And pretty much on the website, if you go here, this is back on the website. After a few seconds of being idle, it pops up a little basically email box. So if you want more information on how to make money online, you just basically put in your first name, your email address, hit submit, and I will email you basically a guide that it gives you all the information that you need on how to make money online, you know, and it's free. It just goes straight to your email, a little PDF or whatever. But when somebody types in their email address, I want to be able to market to them later. If I come out with a product, a service, merch, anything like that, man, I want to be able to reach out with them instead of just having to, like, you know, find them again somehow. But if they put in their email address, I always have them, you know. And on this, I created basically a program. It's not a program. It's MailChimp.com. It's basically an email service where it keeps all your emails. I got 13 total contacts, 6 in the last couple of days, I guess. But this is when people talk about building their email list. This is what they're talking about. They're talking about getting emails from whatever site, you know, online, social media or whatever. And then they create a list where if they have one email that they're trying to like sell a shirt, anybody who's on their list and they have their email, they can shoot it out to every single person. So it's pretty much, if you want to sell and make money, you got a big list, you can do that just with the snap of your finger or a click of a button, man. But anyway, we're going to go on to the next one. All right, talking about stuff I just need to handle, talking about just regular day life stuff. Like, look at this, man. This is my first car that I got that was like new. You know, and I still have a warranty, but it's like, do I want to fix this myself? You can see it from the side. Like, it's a little bump. Like, I can fix it, like, if you go back and look at the other one. Hold on, man. Just tell me, link down below, man. Tell me down below, should I get this fixed? You see how this one is smooth? This is just the front of the whip. It has like a little blip. And I can push this boy in. And it's, you see, it's semi-fixed, but it's like, I don't want to be that jerk going in. But man, so I got a warranty and all that, man. I'm taking that in, man. They got to fix that off top. I also got to put an exhaust. Definitely got to get an exhaust. Definitely. So add that to the to-do list. Y'all like G-Wagons? Yeah, you know we got to enter in a gym session, man. I'm at the gym session. I'm at the gym, about to walk in right now. I don't know if you guys can see it. The gym I go to. You probably can't see it, man, but it's a nice ass gym in Las Vegas. But anyway, man, I hate going to the gym. I like being at the gym, but I hate getting ready going to the gym. Like right now, I'm cool. Once I get into the gym, I'm straight. But the whole process, putting your clothes on and all that, man, like I hate that, man. I wish I could just teleport from my house to the gym doing something, man. You see my head all messed up? It's all good though. Let me switch it around. That's what I usually do. All right, there we go. Look a little bit more presentable. The only reason I'm wearing this hat, man, because it's like crazy sunny, but I be trying to have like the roof open and show the sun like when I'm recording. But the thing is, it'd be like hella bright. And I don't want to get like crazy, just a tan driving around in the car trying to make videos. But anyway, man, I'm at the gym. I don't want to be the dad walking around the swimming pool with the shirt on, man. I don't want to be the dad when I have kids to, you know, have a problem. I can't go out there and run and play basketball and have fun with my son or whatever, kids, daughter, whatever. So I got to get fit, man, for them. I don't even want to be here. I don't want to go to the gym. I hate the gym. I like working out, but I hate the process. But I'm getting it. I'm doing it. I'm not being lazy. I'm getting my ass up. Let's go. Beep. Oh, yeah, I'm supposed to snap. Yo, what's up, man? Y'all know y'all go to the gym and you see the homie in there and he got a long ass workout that he doing and you got to start just because you see him. That's what I just did, man. I'm tired of shit, man. Went to the gym, but I knocked it out, man. It was pretty cool. It was pretty good, man. Walked there with the homies. Shit, man, I feel good, man. I know if I would have went in there solo, man, I probably wouldn't have worked out as much as I did just now. So I feel good, man. I'm sore shit all over, upper body sore, back sore, stomach sore, chest sore, but it's a good sore, man. So yeah, man, day one, man. Let's get it.